parents, today we are going to talk about a fantastic topic on converting all of your commands into questions. Why? Because always we are looking out to gain so much cooperation from the child, but always we see a resistance. But a small tweak in a way you speak to your child actually transforms the whole relationship between you and the child. So how to make that transformation? Before going into the topic, subscribe to our channel to listen to more videos like this. Now, the topic here is going to be converting all your commands into questions. Now, let me explain to you something where we are interacting with our children on a day-to-day basis. Are we interacting in a conversation mode or are we interacting in a commanding mode? Let us make a difference here. Let me tell you these dialogues which are very commonly used against your own child, like we are all using it. Stop it right now. It's enough. You can't do this. I'll put you inside the storeroom. Don't you see, the moment I went into a commanding mode, my body language changes, my tone changes, the way I speak to the other person, I definitely make the other person feel dismissive about their emotion. I stop their conversation or communication. The moment I moved into a commanding zone, I made the child, you are lesser than me, don't communicate with me. Now, when I'm into this commanding mode, what happens is the child moves away from you. But let me go into a conversational mode. But when I say a conversational mode, people will start telling in their mind, conversation mode does not help. My child will not listen. No, it will be a slow process. We don't have the time. All these points will be running in your mind. So let me clear it with an example right now. For example, let's take a scenario that you are a team leader. You are having team whom you have to handle for different tasks. Now, you're going to your team and letting them know, by this afternoon, you're supposed to do this. No more questions. So when you are giving such commands to your team, what happens is your team is under the pressure to do certain things without even being heard about them. Now, if I'm a team leader or I'm an owner going to the team, see, I'm so aware that this task has to be done by this afternoon, but let me know that what is the possibility available there. Do you want more people to engage in that? Do you want more facilities to be done in that? What is that you want? Because I want this task to be finished. The same team leader who has a task, who has to finish it within a time parameter, one person commanded it, but one person raised a question which led into a conversation. For example, the second team leader made the other person contribute to the work, contribute to the communication, and also come up with an active response where he wants to do that particular task. So as a team leader, I made sure that the whole situation is under actually my control, gaining the support of every member in the team. Now, if a team leader is going to regularly treat their team members in a way where he is going to question and engage them, what will happen? As a result, the team members will increase their efficiency, increase their speed, and increase their momentum to do more tasks. The same thing will happen at home when you as a parent going to involve psychology and a small pinch of love, which is going to make the child completely transform their relationship with you. Now, what will happen? A commanding parent and a questioning parent to do a task. If you see the difference, this parent is controlling, this parent is actually inquisitive. This parent is making the child dismissive, this parent is making the child expressive. This parent is actually trying to put the child that you are lower than me. This parent is making the child feel more than themselves. So now here the whole relationship scenario and the dimension changes. So why don't you try this at your home where you will engage this command by converting into a question. Let me put the dialogues which I told you in the beginning. Stop it right now. Hey, I want you to stop it, but would you let me know why are you even doing this? Now what I'm doing is I want the child to stop, but I want the child to express themselves why they want to stop. Second, do it right now. It's enough. Now I'm stopping it. Instead, I feel it's enough. You've done a lot of things, but let me know why are you not stopping it? It's actually bothering everyone. Now what I'm putting is the same scenario. I'm making the child pulling to answer my question where the child will express their emotions. Now this is just a small scenario which I'm telling you. If you are a team leader, if you are an owner, or if you are a parent, Why don't you try this in all the places when you go there and see the difference? So in this video, I'm telling you, convert all your command into questions and experience it. Once you experience it, let me know in the comments box what is that you have gained out of it, what is the change that you see out of it. I'll personally see to it and reply to you. If you like this video, hit on the like button. If you want to see more videos like this, smash the subscribe button. Myself Rohini, your Natural Frequency Parenting Coach.